Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security because that's where Defender lives. Click Start, type Windows Security and open it. Once done, select Virus and Threat Protection from the left column. Make sure you're using an administrator account. Defender changes require elevated permissions. If a UAC prompt appears, approve it to continue. This step exposes the settings you'll change next, and it's necessary so you can pause or turn off protection without jumping through extra menus. You now adjust the protection controls to effectively close Defender. Click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection, then toggle Real-Time Protection off. This stops on-access scanning. If Windows asks, confirm via UAC. Next, toggle Tamper Protection off briefly so your change sticks. This prevents Windows from auto-reverting the switch. Be aware this leaves you exposed. Only proceed if you have an alternative or testing environment. Once the toggles reflect off, Defender's active blocking is you finish by making the changes persistent and safe. Restart your PC to ensure Defender stays disabled for your current session, then complete any tasks that required it. Once done, re-enable Tamper Protection and Real-Time Protection to restore normal security. If the toggles revert after restart, check for group policy settings, a domain policy, or another antivirus that forces Defender back on. Those can override your changes. If necessary, contact your system administrator to adjust policy-level settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.